Facing mobile network issues, billing problems, or service disruptions? Don't suffer in silence. In this episode of Consumer Times, we break down India's complete mobile complaint redressal system. Learn about TRAI's role, how the National Consumer Helpline can help you, and the step-by-step process to get your grievances resolved quickly. From understanding regulatory authorities to knowing your consumer rights, we've got you covered. Watch till the end for important contact numbers and actionable tips. Hello and welcome back to Consumer Times, where we empower you with knowledge about your consumer rights. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of Indians every single day: mobile service complaints and how to get them resolved effectively. Whether you are dealing with poor network coverage, incorrect billing, unauthorized deductions, or any other mobile service issue, understanding the complaint redressal system can make all the difference between frustration and resolution. Before we deep dive into the subject, understand how to file mobile complaints in India is all about. Please give your valuable comments, like, share and subscribe to motivate us. Mobile phones have become an essential part of our daily lives, and when service providers fail to deliver on their promises, consumers often feel helpless. But here's the good news. India has a robust regulatory framework designed specifically to protect your rights as a mobile consumer. The question is, do you know how to navigate this system? In this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to file complaints and get the justice you deserve. Let's start by understanding the mobile complaint redressal ecosystem in India. The system operates on multiple levels, with different authorities handling various aspects of consumer grievances. At the foundation, every telecom operator is legally required to maintain their own customer service departments and complaint resolution mechanisms. This is your first line of defense. However, when these internal systems fail or when you're dissatisfied with the response, higher regulatory authorities step in to ensure your voice is heard. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, commonly known as TRAI, plays a pivotal role in this ecosystem. Established under the TRAI Act of 1997, this independent regulatory body was created to regulate telecommunication services and protect consumer interests. TRAI's primary responsibility is to ensure that telecom service providers maintain quality standards, follow fair practices, and address consumer complaints in a timely and effective manner. The authority issues regulations, monitors compliance, and has the power to impose penalties on operators who violate consumer protection norms. When it comes to mobile complaints, TRAI oversees several critical areas. These include network quality issues such as call drops, poor internet speed, and connectivity problems. TRAI also handles billing disputes, which are among the most common complaints Indian consumers face. Whether it's unauthorized charges, incorrect billing, or failure to process refunds, TRAI ensures that operators are held accountable. Additionally, TRAI regulates matters related to mobile number portability, activation and deactivation of services, and adherence to tariff plans as advertised by operators. One of TRAI's most significant contributions to consumer protection is the Mobile Consumer Complaint Handling Regulations. Under these regulations, every telecom service provider must establish a robust grievance redressal mechanism with clear timelines for resolution. Operators are required to acknowledge complaints within 24 hours and resolve them within specified time frames depending on the nature of the complaint. If you're not satisfied with the operator's response, TRAI provides an appellate mechanism where you can escalate your complaint directly to the regulatory authority. To file a complaint with TRAI, consumers can visit the official TRAI website and use their online complaint registration portal. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. You need to provide details about your mobile service provider, the nature of your complaint, and any supporting documentation such as bills or communication records. TRAI typically mandates operators to respond within a specific time frame, and the authority monitors these cases to ensure compliance. This regulatory oversight creates accountability and increases the likelihood of a favorable resolution. Now, let's talk about another powerful avenue available to mobile consumers, the National Consumer Helpline, or NCH. Many people are unaware that they can lodge mobile service complaints through this centralized platform, which serves as a one-stop solution for consumer grievances across various sectors, including telecommunications. The National Consumer Helpline, operating under the Department of Consumer Affairs, provides a unified platform where consumers can register complaints, seek guidance, and track the status of their cases. The beauty of the National Consumer Helpline is its accessibility and comprehensive approach. You can file complaints through multiple channels by calling their toll-free number 1915, through their website, via email, or even through their mobile app called NCH app. When you register a complaint about mobile services through NCH, the platform forwards your grievance to the relevant authority or service provider and monitors the resolution process. This adds an additional layer of accountability, as companies are more responsive when complaints are channeled through official government platforms. What makes NCH particularly valuable is that it doesn't just handle complaints, it also provides consumer education and guidance. If you're unsure about your rights or the proper procedure to follow, NCH representatives can guide you through the process. They maintain a comprehensive database of consumer protection laws and regulations, making them an excellent resource for understanding the legal framework surrounding mobile service disputes. Moreover, NCH maintains records of all complaints, which helps identify patterns of malpractice by specific service providers and can lead to broader regulatory action. It's important to understand that NCH and TRAI serve complementary roles in the mobile complaint ecosystem. While TRAI is the sector-specific regulator with technical expertise in telecommunications, NCH provides a broader consumer protection umbrella that covers all sectors. Depending on the nature and complexity of your complaint, you might choose to approach either or both authorities. For highly technical issues related to network infrastructure or regulatory compliance, TRAI might be more appropriate. For general consumer rights violations or if you want additional support in pursuing your complaint, NCH can be extremely helpful. Beyond TRAI and NCH, consumers also have recourse to consumer forums established under the Consumer Protection Act. These quasi-judicial bodies operate at district, state, and national levels and can award compensation for deficiency in service. If your mobile service complaint involves significant financial loss or mental agony, approaching a consumer forum might be the right step. These forums have the power to order refunds, compensation, and even punitive damages in cases of gross negligence or unfair trade practices. Before we wrap up, here are some practical tips for filing effective mobile complaints. First, always maintain detailed records of your interactions with your service provider, including call recordings if possible, emails, SMS communications, and bills. Documentation strengthens your case significantly. Second, give your service provider a fair opportunity to resolve the issue internally before escalating to regulatory authorities. Most operators have dedicated customer service departments, and many issues can be resolved at this level. Third, when filing complaints with TRAI or NCH, be specific about the nature of your grievance, provide all relevant details, and clearly state what resolution you're seeking. Remember, the mobile complaint redressal system in India is designed to protect you, the consumer. Don't hesitate to use these mechanisms when your rights are violated. Your complaint not only helps you get justice but also contributes to improving service standards across the industry. Regulatory authorities like TRAI and platforms like National Consumer Helpline exist because your voice matters, and consumer protection is a fundamental right in India. Thank you for watching Consumer Times. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from knowing their consumer rights. Stay informed, stay empowered, and remember, better regulation, not silence, is the answer to consumer problems.